Guess what came to mail today? Yeah. Do 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 do. Boom, down, down, down. Jet Jaguar, Jet Jaguar, yeah, yeah. Thank you very, very much. Here we open it up. Oh yeah. Focus motherfucker. 2021. Jet Jaguar. 2021. Game. Fantastic. Promotional pictures. This, that, yada yada. Amazing. Oh, before instructions. Now we're prepared. Oh, this already looks incredible. God damn, boy! Those are big ass propellers. Got the handle, and of course we got the horn of Anguirus. Oh yeah, such incredible detail, texture. It's fantastic. And of course we got the main character. Focus, motherfucker. Focus, focus. Here we go, him with the mask. Alright. Actually, that's disrespectful. Let me just look up the name. Whatever. It should have been Japanese name. God damn it, they didn't have the name. But, oh, wait, hold on. A Ninja on a minifigure. Holy crap. This is a fantastic minifigure. 10 out of 10. Actually, 9 out of 10 because this is not painted, but oh well. 10 out of 10 on my heart. This is incredible. And yeah, we got the. Don't worry, that's just a stand. Wait. Hold on. Warning. Very small parts. Be damn careful. We've got some accessories. More accessories. There we also got the seat. Fantastic. And now the meat and potato. Oh. Oh. This is incredible. This is just in first impression, so not a full review. Whoa. Really squeaky? Just because this is a first impression, it's not a full-on review. This is just my first impression, not my total. But man, so happy right now. Oh, there's a waist swivel. I was scared that there were no waist swivel, but there is one. And we got a nav crunch. It's bruh. Oh. Oh. Double. Ooh. Nice. Double jointed knee, but oh well, that works. Ooh. And pivot. Wait, hold up. Let me just give him a pose. Overall, my total thoughts, first thoughts, I am so damn happy. I am smiling right now. It's just, wow. I feel that this is going to be a goddamn figure of the year. No doubt. Like, I mean, it's fucking Jet Jaguar. What do you expect?